Good morning and welcome to my first video where I'll be showing you how to disable the door chime on a 2012 Dodge Charger. This should work for all LX bodies, including the Challenger and Chrysler 300 from 2005 up, and may work on similar vehicles such as the Journey or Durango. As you can see, I have the ignition set to run, and it's as simple as peeling back this rubber and cutting the solid purple wire. If you can see, I'll complete the circuit. Now this does affect more than just the door chime, so I'll try to just list all those changes in the description. Thanks. Bye.